To change the batteries on your Interlogix glass break sensor, we'll want to remove the front cover. To do so, I recommend pulling on the left and the right side to pull off the cover. Once the cover's been removed, there will be two CR123A batteries located inside that can be pulled out. These batteries can be bought at most drugstores or found online. To put the batteries back in, we want to ensure that we're matching the positives located on the device. When changing the batteries on your device that's mounted to a wall, the board won't be nearly as loose as it is for the one that I'm working on now. Putting the cover back on, we want to do so in a way that applies enough pressure to the tamper switch so the device reads properly closed. I recommend doing one push to ensure it is on tightly. After changing the batteries, if you're still noticing a tamper report from your panel, you'll want to remove the cover and try applying it again.